This yoga you'll see a Kool-Aid challenge with the Prince family members participating. Participants select different flavors of Kool-Aid by closing their eyes and picking at random. The flavors chosen include blue, orange, watermelon, lemonade, and cherry. Sugar is added to the Kool-Aid with a humorous emphasis on the amount used. Each participant takes their Kool-Aid after mixing and rates it on a scale. There is playful competition among family members regarding whose drink in the best. Some participants express dissatisfaction with the taste, especially without sugar. The children engage in playful banter and arguments about who took more sugar. A prank is planned on the father's Damien while he is away, involving adding something to his drink. The video concludes with everyone trying their drinks again and discussing who had the best one. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep smile. Bye bye.